Welcome back to AutoForm CRM. In this video, I'll show you how to book meetings and let your contacts schedule time with you, all inside WordPress. This is your meetings screen. Up top, the numbers that matter: upcoming, completed, canceled, and no-shows. And the tabs let you move between them instantly. Booking a meeting is simple. You start with a meeting type. These are reusable, so a 30-minute demo or a quarterly review is set up once and ready to go. Then link an existing contact and the details fill themselves in, or add a guest on the spot. Every meeting type connects to Zoom or Google Meet, so the video link is handled for you. And when a meeting's done, mark it complete or cancel it in one click. Here's the part that saves you the back and forth. Every meeting type comes with a shareable booking link. Send it to a contact and they pick a slot that works for them. It lands on your calendar automatically. No emails trading times, no double booking. You can even embed the booker straight onto your site. Behind it, you set your own availability, your hours, your rules, so you're only ever booked when you want to be. It all lives next to your contacts and deals, so every meeting is tied to the relationship it belongs to. That's meeting scheduling in AutoForm CRM. Book it yourself or let them book you, right on your own WordPress site. Try AutoForm CRM yourself at autoformcrm.com. Just add your name and email and you're in.